Okay, we move on. And I'm going to introduce an aspect to decision making that may sound odd, but is so important. And that is to do with allowing emotional intelligence in the table of your decision making. Emotional intelligence is to make sure that it feels right. Your decision has to have a good feeling to it. I mean, you can do the most incredible analysis, but if you check the feeling and it doesn't feel right, I would suggest to you to listen to your feelings, because your feelings are very sensitive apparatus that can tell you things without actually understanding what they are, but you feel it. It's something that's designed to protect you from wrong decisions. Allow emotional intelligence. Let your emotions speak to you before you make a decision. And make sure that what guides you is not negativism, but rather positive thinking. Because if you're negative, it will lead you to the wrong kind of feelings and emotions. And negative is to be against people or to have revenge. What you want to think about is how you can make everything better because of your decisions. They can be about yourself and they can be about business. In business, we call it a win-win. And I would say a win-win-win. You win, the other party wins, and the feeling is a winning feeling. And that's what you need to focus on. Let your feeling speak to you before you make decisions. That is so important. Really is.